This one is the song by Don Moen, Mi Corazon, and it goes like three parts of the song. The first part is okay, so you can play it again slowly. Okay, so it goes. Okay, then you have the first part. Ta ta dee doo, ta ta da ta, ta da da ta, ta dee doo doo, ta da ta. Now this chord changes a little bit. Ta ta dee doo doo da all of my days, and then he goes switches from D and C, and then he goes to it repeats twice, and then the second time it goes third part da da dee do da 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 da. Now the turnaround here goes as da 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 da. So I'll play it again. So it goes from here it goes turn around. You check this one. It goes from here and it lands on A minor, which goes to A minor 7, and then goes to D7. Do you alone? So we stay the same way, and we add a G major 7 alone, and then goes to C major 7. There you have captured my whole heart, and then B me, and then he goes the second time. The second turn around is you have again A minor. You have captured my whole heart, Mi Corazon. Alright, and then the bridge part goes again. Then goes to D. And he goes from E. Then he plays the same turnaround. Alright, so he's continuously playing the same, he's keeping on that. So you can add it. Okay, so if you're going to play the whole thing, I'll play very slowly. So you can add these embellishments. Okay. So Don Moen always he sticks with this octave because already he has a bass player and a guitar player, so he'll just stick with and then he goes, and then he'll go again. Alright, so I think this is the major part of the song. You can listen to it again and again, and then if you want to copy it exactly, but if you want to play it like a solo kind of thing, then I think this is a much more simpler version of the chords. I mean, not simple, but depending on you're playing solo or you want to have like a band playing, then it'll be much more cleaner. If you have more questions about the song chords or anything, you can let me know in the comments, or if you're another song that you want me to cover showing you the chords, you can let me know in the comments below, and I'll be happy to do that. Alright, thank you.